Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me, all of us under its spell. We know that it's probably magic. Have you been half asleep? Have you heard voices? I've heard them calling my name. Is this the sweet sound they call the young sailors? The voice might be one and the same. I've heard it too many times to ignore it. It's something that I'm supposed to be.